Okay, I'm back with another unboxing, guys. It's another item from Vipertek. It's the VTS-880. You see that? I'm sure that doesn't have any of my information on it. Yeah. Let's crack into it. This is the smallest one that they make. Got paperwork and all kinds of fun stuff. It's got its own little pouch or whatever. Already it's lighter, and it's got a plastic rubberized grip. Buttons on it. The button on it is kind of set jankety. One thing I do like about the like it better than the other one is it has its charger built in. It's got a little bit of a charge. Really crappy little flashlight, actually. I mean, it's like something you'd have on a keychain. That thing still has a business end. Wow, I keep getting these, man. I end up having to shock myself with them every time. I think this one's 60 million volts, I want to say. I don't know the difference. But shock myself, guys. This is gonna suck again. Oh god. At least it's not as stout as the other one. The red light means it's primed. I'm not looking forward to this ever. I'm never gonna be used to this, I don't think. It's all for you guys. It's all for you guys. Try to do it to where y'all can see it. Oh god. Okay. I hate it. I hate it. Good god. It's not as bad as the other one. Getting shocked sucks every time, though. Let's go for another one. God. Yeah, nowhere near as bad as the other one, but it still sucks, guys. Make sure you turn it off. It's not leaving that weird. I can still smell burning hair and skin again, but it's not leaving that funky little white dot on me. I do have like this strange knot forming up. Anybody knows that's a dangerous thing to happen? Comment below. But if you guys enjoyed seeing me shock myself again, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. Yeah. Dang it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching and peace out.